Hi, I'm Bernadette from the School of Renovating. Today I want to talk about the mindset around improving your life and financial circumstances with renovating and property. And I just want to tell you a bit of a story. On the weekend, we went looking at some properties in Bondi, and we dropped in for a coffee and ran into one of our students, the lovely Jenna. And she was out inspecting properties too. Now, she's climbing the property ladder. She's just finished her second renovation. So she was a first home buyer a couple of years ago. Now she's into her second project. So she was sharing that she bought this property for 1.1 million and had done a $120,000 reno on it and had just had it revalued at 1.6 million. So she's doing pretty well. She's got a great job, but she was out inspecting property, and I said to her, "Oh, so what? Are you going to use some of the equity to buy another property?" So she said, "I've been thinking about the fact that my mortgage is coming off fixed rate, and so I decided to do something to earn some extra income to cover that." So because she loves property, she's set up a gig where she will go and inspect properties for renters who don't want to stand in the queue to inspect a property. So she inspects the property and helps them to actually get their application approved. And she's doing that on the weekends in order to prepare herself for the mortgage cliff, for want of a better word. And I thought, gee, that's interesting, because those people that she's standing in the queue for are renting. She owns, a really well-valued home, and she's willing to go out there and do that in order to, maintain her financial position. And it reminded me of a quote by Thomas Edison, and he said something like this, that people often miss opportunity because it turns up in overalls and often looks like work. So that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.